Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2024 Lamborghini STO with 643 miles on it. This is a last of its kind in regards to a naturally aspirated V10. Today we're going to give you guys a comprehensive walk around and test drive and let you decide if you want to put this in your collection. Let's do it. Let's talk about the overall condition. I would rate this one a 10 out of 10. This is essentially a brand new car, 640 miles, complete PPF from front to rear. Every single panel is covered, and it's also ceramic coated. Wheels have been finished in a satin black and they look fantastic. You have 6 piston calipers with carbon ceramic rotors for front and rear. You do have color matching, so your actual caliper itself is orange, and then the accents on the carbon fiber bucket seats are orange as well. So you have orange stitching, Alcantara throughout. Just a beautiful example. My favorite part would be the carbon fiber on the front fascia. So you have a complete carbon front clip that folds up forward, and you can see the natural carbon back there. Extremely light. When you lift it up, you're just blown away. Also, the engine cover itself is made of full carbon. You have the snout right there. Once again, very easy to remove. It has a tool in the corner next to the door, which you pop open these releases and you just pull it right off. Looking at the side profile, it's very nice. You do have a manual adjustable wing, so you can adjust this for downforce. This produces 1,100 foot-pounds of downforce. The front end is 120 millimeters from the ground, so that's 1.5 inches for you Americans. It does have front lifts, so you can lift this up and you can clear speed bumps, etc. If you have an incline in your house, no problem. I love the exposed wet carbon on the exterior, and once again, this whole entire piece is carbon fiber. STO stands for Super Trofeo Omologato, which means race car for the streets. When you open up the doors or you click the button, your handle is going to pop out. Once again, everything is PPF'd. You can see the dry carbon on the inside here, and it's just beautiful. Rear quarter is extremely nice. That's right, carbon fiber once again. Your door is aluminum. Wheel condition, so you have center locks, and once again, carbon ceramic rotors. Emergency brake right here. It's unbelievable. It's a race car for the streets. Let's spin it. The rear end is menacing. You have carbon fiber throughout, you have the STO insignia on the aluminum panel here, and you can see the actual exhaust through these vents. Once again, you have aero throughout, so you can see the 305 30/20s. These tires are in great condition. Carbon fiber, wet carbon fiber on the bottom section, and then you have beautiful vents throughout to let the airflow go through. Before we pop the engine hatch, I want you guys to see how beautiful it is. So you have the wet carbon snout right here, and then you have the tail. This is just beautiful. You have open vents here to allow the heat to escape or dissipate. You normally would want to open this up with 2 people if it's your first time. If you've done it before, you have a little latch right here, and you can hold it from this area and just pop it right off. To open the engine hatch, you have this little key right here. You have the STO engraved into the plastic. You do that, and you pop the button. Let me get the other side, and then I'll open it up. So it's open. You're going to lift up and pull. There's a release under here where you can release it, and you are free. We'll put this right here. What you're looking at is a last of its kind. This is a 5.2 liter V10 power plant, 630 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. You can imagine how that sounds, and we'll try to show you that later on in this video. It has 440 foot-pounds of torque at around 6,000 RPMs, 0 to 124 in 9 seconds, 0 to 60, 3 seconds. All this power is laid out via a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and it's like a lightning bolt when you shift it. Passenger side condition, it's the same as the driver's side. It's like brand new. Let's take a look at the front end. Taking a look at the front fascia, it is beautiful. You have wet carbon separated by a satin black line right here that matches your magnesium satin black wheels with center locks. You have LED headlights. So this has a different frequency due to it being from Europe. So you're going to see a little bit of fluctuation here with the camera. That's totally normal. They are bright and lit up. Your exhaust, I'm saying exhaust for the front end. Your air will flow through the center of the front bumper and come out here and create downforce. You have your STO badging, your Italian flag, and your beautiful Lamborghini crest. PPF has minor imperfections, so you have a small little nick in the PPF here, along with 3 or 4 additional small nicks in the PPF right at the front area. We just tell you that just so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's jump inside. The interior is beautiful. You have the Alcantara dash with your orange stitching. You also have the orange stripe on your seat, along with the caliper, so it's beautiful. You have a flat bottom steering wheel with Alcantara, and then your center line. I love the steering wheel because it has the fixed paddles that are aluminum and it feels really good. Center section, you have telemetry, so you can essentially get all of your data and see how you're doing if you do decide to bring this on the track. Door cards are unbelievable. You have the STO insignia that pops down from the doors. You have everything you would want in regards to infotainment, so you have Apple CarPlay. You have a cup holder, so if you want to do your 0 to 124, put an open cup right there and see what happens. Seats, I'm 210 pounds, 6 foot. I fit in here. I don't feel like it's too tight. They are carbon back, so they are a firmer seat. Once again, you have the front lift, your traction control, hazards, and reverse, park, manual mode, and paddle shifters. What do you say we flip this up and start it? Let's take this baby outside. Before we go for a test drive, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Also, if you want to support us, we do have merchandise from keychains to hats to t-shirts. Let's do it. We're taking the STO out for a test drive so you can see that all the functions work. Also to get you guys some beautiful artistic outside shots. Dash is extremely nice. Obviously this has 650 miles on it, so you're not going to have any discoloration. This is a garage kept car. All of your functions inside here work. Navigation works. You do have the ability to go through several modes here, so you can go into Trofeo along with another additional mode. The dry carbon on the door panels, beautiful. Windscreen's 20% lighter, so it's a thinner design. Turn signal is actually on your steering wheel. Air conditioning's working as it should, which should be the case for a 2024. We're jumping on Marina Mile right now. Let it do what it's supposed to do. It's automatically shifting. If you put it into Trofeo, you can shift it yourself. No major road noise. Seats, I'm 210 pounds. I fit in here nicely. Very, very nice bolster in the rear. We're going to go over the Marina Mile Bridge. You guys will see how the suspension reacts. So this is a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, so it shifts like this. You do have minimal visibility due to the engine hatch. You can see through the grates, but obviously you can use your mirrors. It does have a reverse camera. I love the grate design that matches the rear section of the actual bumper. What we'll do is turn around up here and then get you guys some beautiful artistic shots and acceleration. Put it into Trofeo. Here we go. Brakes are amazing. we're gonna do is turn right here, go over the signature bumps. Oh, the downshifts are glorious. Take the corner here, nice and smooth. This is where we go over our regular 2 individual bumps and then a big dip. Very firm. Rebound is nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. I'm out of here. You guys need to buy this. Amazing.